Try to get this bed put on this truck for now. Had it sitting on these tires. That'll work. All right, we got the bed set on there. Now it's starting to look like a truck again. They're gonna put a bolt or two in it, hold it in place till we get it, so we can bolt it down later. The truck's been in storage for a lot of years. Let's see the last time it was on the road. 1999. 23 years ago. Truck's been in storage for a lot of years. What's funny is he had the seats recovered right before he put it in storage. So those seats were recovered about 23 years ago, 24 years ago, and then he put it in storage. Truck's in good shape though. .360 small block. Looks a lot better. Now you gotta get some exhaust put on it. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.